In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop YouTube notifications. If you feel like YouTube is constantly popping up on your screen, distracting you from work or relaxing, this walkthrough will help you take control. We're going to use the YouTube website on a computer, and we'll move through the settings step by step so you can turn off exactly the notifications you don't want. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed into the account whose notifications you want to change. You should land on your main YouTube dashboard, where you see your home feed and recommended videos. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, click on YouTube Studio. This is the back-end area for your channel, where you manage your content and a lot of your account settings. Give it a moment to load if it doesn't appear immediately. Once YouTube Studio is open, look down to the lower left-hand side of the screen for the settings option and click on it. A settings window will pop up in the middle of your screen with different categories on the left. In that window, choose the channel option. This is where your channel-related preferences live. After that, click on the Advanced Settings tab across the top of that same window. This tab contains extra controls that aren't visible in the basic view. On this Advanced Settings page, look for the option to manage YouTube account and click it. This link will take you out of Studio and into your main YouTube account settings in a new tab or window. On the left-hand side of the account settings page, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications under the Accounts section. This is where all your notification controls are grouped together. Here, you'll see several sections such as desktop notifications, your preferences, and email notifications. Take your time scrolling through this page. Under each section, you'll find specific switches or checkboxes for different types of alerts. To stop notifications, simply turn off the toggles or uncheck the boxes for the types you no longer want to receive. You can disable everything for a complete break, or just turn off the ones that bother you most, like email updates or desktop pop-ups. As you adjust these settings, they're saved automatically. So once you're done, you can close the tab and enjoy a quieter YouTube experience.